Kimberly from the Midland Public Library, Program Assistant, and today on Try This at Home, we are going to make something called elephant toothpaste. Now, this demonstration is called elephant toothpaste only because of the chemical reaction and the large reaction that it makes. Only an elephant could fit this much toothpaste in his mouth, but it's not actually for elephants. It's just a chemical reaction. Watch and see how it's done. All right, what you're going to need for your experiment is half a cup of peroxide. We used 3 volume. Make sure you have your parents or an adult to help you. You put your half a cup in your glass. It's recommended that you use a water bottle, but we didn't have one on hand, so we used a glass, but hopefully you will. A large helping of dish soap and swirl that around. Perfect. Now what we need is 6 tablespoons of water. We only have half a tablespoon measuring cup, so we'll use. What you need is 3 tablespoons of water, and we only have a half a tablespoon, so we're adding 6. And then for your yeast, you need 1 tablespoon, and since again ours is half, we'll use 2 halves. And we'll stir that all around just to blend it in, because it gets quite chunky. You can do this experiment outside if you don't want to make a mess inside. All right, we'll let that sit. We'll put food coloring if you want it to really look like toothpaste, just out on the outer edge. Give that just a little swirl. And all right, watch it go. Isn't that amazing? Elephant toothpaste. So much fun.